We are at the 3042 Oak Ridge Research Reactor. This phase is the completion of the reactor removal. It is a major milestone towards deactivation and eventual demolition of this facility. It is one of the 5 focus goals that we're working on towards the end of this fiscal year. Because it's a research reactor, there weren't as-built drawings for this facility, and we've had to do a number of compensatory actions to get through that. The primary one is we've had to drain the pool, lower the pool level, and cut everything in the dry, as opposed to in the wet. And the controls that we've put in place, how the work crews have been able to resolve those problems and get to this point has been a tremendous effort.
I don't think anybody else could have done it. Working through the hot conditions, sometimes being in double anti-seize, impermeable aprons where they hold the water and the sweat, and working on long reach tools which were 30 to 40 feet long, cutting components out and getting prepped up, and then making 2, 3, 4, 5 jumps a day.
There have been a number of partnerships. Energy Solutions and UCOR have worked together on this phase from the start. Energy Solutions and their sub-tier contractors, Acon, Walks, and Bluegrass, who did the diamond wire cutting itself, were instrumental on the actual removal of the components inside the pool. The UCOR support overarching on that with radiological controls, industrial hygiene controls, getting a lot of that waste handled and pulled out of the building has just been a tremendous partnership. It's truly been one team. DOE has been integral with us from the very beginning, working on how do we get from point A to B to C to D to E when we thought we were going right from A to E at the beginning.
We had to get engineering involved. We had to get all the RCTs supporting. Number of operators down there doing the modifications. You know, the management team knocking down roadblocks so the guys could do their work. I mean, it was a total team effort. A team is how you got this done. It wasn't just one person. It wasn't one organization. It was the entire team pulling together in the same direction.